Hello friends, how are you? Can you guess what is today's topic? Today's topic is the beaks of birds. The beaks of birds. Duck, swan and goose have broad and flat beak with holes on either side. These birds take in muddy water with insects, worms and water plants through their beak. The mud and water flow out through the tiny holes, leaving the plants and beak and insects inside the beak. Seagull has strong body, elongated legs and webbed feet. Beak is slightly hooked and usually yellow in color. Seagulls are one of the rare animals that are able to drink salt water. They have special glands located above the eyes which eliminate excess salt from the body. Eagle. An eagle's beak is hooked to rip and tear its food. It has this distinctive hooked beak throughout his life, like all birds of prey. Beak and talons are critical to eagles' ability to catch and consume food. Crossbill. Red crossbills are a striking example of how some young birds must grow into their adult bill shape. A young crossbill starts life with a wedge-shaped beak. As it grows up and starts to feed itself by removing conifer seeds from the tough packaging, the tips of its bill begin to grow rapidly and then they cross. Nighthawk. They like to eat on the fly using their short beaks and wide gaping mouths to capture insects in flight. Some of these birds also have bristles, specialized feathers around their mouths. The bristles work together like a net to help the bird catch insects. Avocet. Avocet is a wading bird with a beak that curves upward. They sweep their slender bills from side to side, skimming mud and surface water. This action stirs up small invertebrates, and the birds then use their beaks like tweezers to pick out an individual prey. Woodpecker. They use their strong, sharp beaks to bore into trees to make homes and to find insects to eat. A woodpecker's beak can strike wood at 25 mph, 40 km per hour. Woodpeckers hammer into trees with their beaks to find insects, which they pull out with their long tongues. Parrot. Their beaks are short, strong and curved. The two parts of the beak are very strong and used to break fruits and seeds. The tongue is large and strong. Flamingo. Flamingos have wide, flat beaks. These beaks have a filtering system whereby the bird removes the water and separates out the organisms on which these birds feed. It is the international bird of the Bahamas. Kiwi. The kiwi has an extremely unusual beak. Not only does it provide a keen sense of smell, it also has sensory pits at the tip which allow the kiwi to sense prey moving underground. Spoonbill. All spoonbills have large, flat, spatulate bills and feed by wading through shallow water, sweeping the partly open bill from side to side. The moment any small aquatic creature touches the inside of the bill, an insect, crustacean, or tiny fish, it is snapped shut. Pelican. The American white pelican uses its beak to scoop up fish. Sometimes these birds will fish in semicircular or circular groups so they can concentrate fish for easy feeding. A pelican expands the pouch on its beak when it's fishing and sometimes when it's stretching. Otherwise, the pouch on its beak is folded up. So friends, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your relatives and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.